cut them down, store them, and this is our property. So it's not like we're littering on somebody else's property, but as you can tell, there's a crap ton of cholla out here. So yeah, I don't think we're ever going to do anything with this area. So this is where the cholla come to die. I would say the best tool that you can have to take these cholla is this mini chainsaw on an extension pole. That is what I would recommend to everybody who wants to play around with these cactuses and their needles and wear a good pair of boots. Also, the truth of the matter is I looked all around good old YouTube to find a easy way to remove these cholla, and I couldn't find anything short of a bobcat, skid steer, but we don't have one and we don't have access to one. So what's the next easiest way? And I couldn't find anything on it, so we decided to use our mini chainsaw, and man, it works like a peach. I think it's probably one of our top 10 most useful tools. So anyway, I got to get back to it. I hope that this has been informative for everybody who's looking to remove a cholla cactus or any kind of cactus. Good luck.